There was once a traveler who came to me, his face burdened with sorrow. He said, "Master, I see suffering everywhere. People are cruel, problems never end, and my heart grows heavy. Tell me, how can I remain positive when the world is so full of pain?" I smiled gently and handed him a small glass of water. "Hold this," I said. He lifted it without effort. After a few moments, I asked, "Is it heavy?" He shook his head. "Not at all." I nodded. "But imagine holding it for an hour, for a day, for a year. Would it still feel light?" He laughed softly. "Of course not. It would become unbearable." Then I whispered, "That is what negative thinking does. A single thought may feel light at first, but the longer you hold on to it, the heavier it becomes until it crushes you. Positive thinking does not mean denying suffering. It means choosing how you carry the glass." Over the years, I have come to see the mind as a vast garden. Every thought is a seed. Some grow into weeds of fear, anger, and doubt. Others blossom into flowers of gratitude, compassion, and hope. If you water the weeds, they will choke the garden. But if you nurture the flowers, even in the harshest desert, beauty will bloom. Positive thinking does not mean closing your eyes to pain. It means opening your heart wide enough to see pain and still notice the light shining through the cracks. I remember once meeting an old woman who had lost nearly everything: her husband, her children, even her home. Yet, when I visited her, she greeted me with a smile so radiant it filled the small, broken room with warmth. I asked her, "How can you smile when you have lost so much?" She answered, "Master, I cannot control the storms of life, but I can decide whether I sit in the rain or open an umbrella. Every day I choose to open the umbrella of gratitude. Even if all I have is a single bowl of rice and the sound of birds, I am rich." Her words carved themselves into my memory. From her, I learned that positive thinking is not about changing the world. It is about changing the way we see the world. You may ask me, "But Master, how can I practice this when my own life feels heavy with challenges?" Let me tell you what I practice myself. Each morning, before I fully open my eyes, I whisper a word of gratitude for the gift of another sunrise. Gratitude is the soil where positivity grows. When hardship arrives, I no longer ask, "Why me?" Instead, I ask, "What is this teaching me?" Every difficulty is a silent teacher, waiting for us to listen, and I choose carefully what I surround myself with. Just as a candle flame spreads its light without losing itself, I stay near people, books, and moments that uplift me. Because whatever you allow into your mind will shape your thoughts, and your thoughts will shape your life. Understand this, my friend. Positive thinking is not a magic spell that removes suffering. It is a lamp you carry into the darkness. The lamp does not eliminate the night, but it makes the path visible. So the real question is, what thoughts will you carry with you today? Will you carry the heavy glass of bitterness, anger, and fear? Or will you lift the lighter cup of gratitude, hope, and compassion? The choice, always, is yours. Take a deep breath now. Feel your chest rise and fall. Look within and plant a seed of positivity in your heart today. Water it daily with gratitude and awareness. One day, without even realizing it, you will look around and see that your life has blossomed quietly into peace. And when you shine with that peace, you will find that others around you begin to bloom as well. So if this message has touched your heart, carry it forward. Share it with someone who may need a small lamp in their own darkness. And if you wish to walk further with me on this path of mindfulness and wisdom, I invite you to subscribe. Together, let us nurture a garden of minds where every thought is a seed of light and every life can blossom with calm, joy, and compassion.